What if I told you that the biggest mistake in crypto isn't buying the wrong coin? It's something that almost every new investor does, and it has wiped out billions of dollars from the market. Some people buy at the top, some sell at the bottom, and some lose everything without even realizing what went wrong. So what is this costly mistake? Let's find out. Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more simple crypto explanation videos. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake crypto investors make and how you can avoid it. The biggest mistake is making emotional decisions instead of following a plan. Let's break it down. Mistake 1. Buying because of FOMO. Imagine Bitcoin jumps 20% in just a few days. Social media is full of people saying, Bitcoin is going to $200,000. Many beginners rush to buy because they don't want to miss out, but often they buy near the top. Soon after, the price drops, and they start losing money. Mistake 2. Panic selling. Now imagine the market falls by 30%. News headlines become negative, fear spreads everywhere. Instead of staying calm, many investors panic and sell at a loss. Ironically, when the market eventually recovers, they're no longer invested. Mistake 3. Investing without research. Another common mistake is buying a coin just because a friend, influencer, or online post recommends it. Every cryptocurrency is different. Before investing, always ask, what problem does this project solve? Does it have a strong team? Does it have real users? Does it have long-term potential? Doing your own research can help you avoid many bad investments. How to avoid these mistakes? Here's a simple strategy. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Never invest based only on hype. Have a long-term plan. Stay patient during market ups and downs. Always do your own research before buying any cryptocurrency. Remember, successful investing is about making smart decisions, not emotional ones. Crypto can create amazing opportunities, but only for investors who stay disciplined and keep learning. So before you buy your next coin, ask yourself, am I making this decision based on research or emotion? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy-to-understand crypto videos. Thanks for watching Crypto Chronicles, and I'll see you in the next video.